What's up guys? What's happening? You guys watched the last video. We made these humongous holes in this hood and I told you guys I was gonna clean it up, but I wanted to finalize that video so you guys can see the vents installed. But I do have some plans for this hood. So you guys see there's like 2 layers of metal in here, and what I'm gonna be doing is cleaning all these up, and as well as this side, and then I'm gonna be painting all of the underside of my hood. I'm gonna be using this stuff, this like truck liner sort of like material, but like this color comes out really nice. I've used it before, but since this is all gonna be popped up at like shows or anywhere I go, and there's these like humongous holes like this and this cut out in it, at least the least I can do is add some fresh color to it so it looks all nice, because it's all like burnt up right now. Clean it up, but yeah, let's get it prepared so we can go ahead and do this. So now we got this whole hood taped off. I'm not going to take this plastic off just because these little pins that it comes with, I don't have new ones, so it's gonna have to do. But yeah, see, I taped off the VIN. Some of these other stickers that are on the hood, you don't want to get those painted. But yeah, we're gonna paint everything else, also the edges on the side as well. So yeah, let's start this off. So if you guys can tell, this is like the area where we sprayed this, and I ended up taking that plastic off, but so you guys can see the difference. That kind of looks like bed liner, where the original color was like this, and it would look like this. So I thought 2 cans would be enough, but this stuff, I guess it's just like, I don't know, kind of rip off. This stuff is pretty expensive, but you know, I got coupons for O'Reilly's, so I was able to save my money. And I have another coupon, so I'm just gonna go get one of these. I think with my coupon this is gonna be like $4, so it's not that bad. I'm gonna come back and finish off this hood. But guys, if you ever do some install like this, you don't have to do this. This is just an optional thing. It's more just a cosmetic thing, honestly, but I just like how this stuff looks, and I'm gonna be using this stuff again pretty soon. You guys just stay tuned for that. But yeah, we're gonna make an O'Reilly's trip. Made it to good old O'Reilly. O'Reilly. Yeah, this car hasn't been outside in so long. Kinda digging this no hood look. Looks sick. As you guys can tell, this car is on its old tune. That's why we're still running these. But yeah, I'm just heating it up, turn it on just so it cranks. I'm not gonna be driving it, the tune's not drivable. But it sounds pretty good. Gauge is checking out. Oil pressure. pressure looks good, temps look good. Damn, I missed this car. Soon. So now that we got some good dose of this, we're gonna go back to this. So what I told you guys before was I was gonna paint it, so I actually did go ahead and paint it, and it came out so good. So like right here, as you guys can see, I taped out the VIN, but it just looks so good. It looks like grip tape. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be taking off all the paint, stupid Trigga. I'm gonna be taking off the tape, and then we're gonna wash this down, and then we're gonna go ahead and weatherproof our vents by putting some 3M tape under it, and then we're gonna throw them on, and the hood will be finally finished. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take double-sided 3M tape. We're going to be covering all these areas of right here before the holes with this 3M tape. That way, when this sits on the hood, it's sealed and ready to go. So this is kind of what I'm talking about, just double-sided tape put down on each side of them. And what's cool about these two guys, this is like weatherproof, so if water gets to it, it ain't gonna be an issue. Well, ladies and gentlemen, hood is all wrapped up, all buttoned up, looking nice. The underside of it came out so good. It looks so nice. Everything is cool. All the stickers are nice, fresh. The hood is a little dirty, but came out really good. It looks nice. It's all buttoned up. I think I might have made some of them a little too hard, but tomorrow during the day I'll be able to look at it. But overall, this came out really good, guys. Okay, so we're finally done. Wow, I'm so tired. Some of these videos take a couple days for me to make, guys. Editing just gets to you, you know, but hey, I enjoy doing it. This is what I've been wanting to do, and I don't know, I wouldn't trade it for anything better, because this is what I truly do enjoy doing. But sorry if this episode, guys, was a little kind of more like clickbaity almost in a way, but all I was trying to do was just trying to make this hood look nice, you know, just make it look pretty. It is gonna matter to me at shows and stuff, or just anywhere. If I pop my hood, I want the underside of my hood looking nice and clean, and that's why I went ahead and did that. But it was a small little nice video. It kind of gives me some relaxing time too. I do have a lot going on right now in my life with YouTube, work, school, everything. Just so I appreciate all you guys bearing with me and waiting for my content to come out. It is honestly an amazing feeling knowing that there's people out there who are going to be watching this, and maybe they'll be doing this themselves one day, maybe on a Z, maybe on another chassis, who knows. But overall, I just want to say thank you, guys. If you haven't already, guys, please hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 200 subscribers. The journey to 500, I can't wait. We're gonna do an awesome giveaway at 500 subscribers. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down, no problem. But in the comment section, explain to me why. I need to know why you didn't like my content, you know. I just gotta have a reason to cry. Hey, but seriously, if you didn't like it, leave a comment, because I'll be reading. Yeah, guys, keep saving. The next video is gonna be killer. Just to give you guys a sneak peek, it's gonna involve these bad boys going in the car, and I already have these on my car, so you can't say I'm gonna be doing a big brake kit install. That'd be wrong. But just think about it. If you haven't, maybe I'll tag it right here. You can watch the video for it and kind of get an idea of what next week is coming up. Guys, I'm still doing weekly uploads, just not on Saturdays anymore. They're just kind of going to be random, just because with my schedule it's kind of hard to set a determined time and date. But I will be doing weekly uploads. I love all you guys. Hope you guys have a killer day, night, whatever the time is that you guys are. And just remember, keep saving.